In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Squarespace and make use of the Create Draft feature, specifically available for enterprise plans. This feature is handy for those who want to refine their content without immediately publishing it. Whether you're a seasoned Squarespace user or a beginner, this guide will walk you through the steps with ease. First things first, fire up your preferred web browser and head over to Squarespace's website. If you're new to Squarespace, you'll find that its interface is sleek and intuitive. For returning users, you'll likely appreciate how Squarespace continually updates its platform to enhance usability. Now, once you're on the Squarespace homepage, the action begins. Direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Look for the section labeled Website. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From these, choose Pages. It's here that you'll be managing the various pages that make up your website. Once inside the Pages section, you'll see a list of all the pages you've created for your website. You can think of this as the control center where each page is laid out in an organized grid. Scroll through and select the specific page you want to work on. If you're managing a large site, using a consistent naming convention for your pages can make this process much smoother. Now that you've selected a page, it's time to dive a bit deeper. Find the Settings option linked to your chosen page. In most cases, it's represented by an icon that looks like a gear or a simple cog. Clicking this will open a plethora of customizable settings that you can tweak to your liking. You're now in the General Settings tab for your page. Take a quick glance around. There are options for editing URLs, SEO titles, and more. However, what we're interested in today is the Create Draft feature. Scroll down until you spot this option. It's important to note that the Create Draft button is exclusive to enterprise plans. If you don't see this option, it's likely because your subscription type does not include it. Once you've found the Create Draft option, go ahead and click it. What this does is generate a private draft of your page. This draft allows you to make changes or updates without worrying about affecting the live version of your site. It's like having a sandbox environment, giving you the freedom to experiment or polish your content before it goes public. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully used Squarespace's Create Draft feature to prepare your page for future enhancements. This concludes our brief yet informative walkthrough. Feel free to explore more options within Squarespace to maximize your site's potential. Until next time, happy designing.